opening up a basket, and we're going to be opening stuff that we're not going to look, so let's get started. I'm going to go first.
Go, Jeannie.
Ooh, my turn. A Shopkins card that shows all the names, and
Show us it.
And it has all the names. And if you find one, like if you have Shopkins, then you could find them, and then you could find a name, and then you could color the little dot.
Wait, pause.
Yeah, Mom! Show them it.
And it lights up.
Who's Bob? Don't say that. Talk about like. No, I my ball back. That's mine.
You don't get to keep it.
I know. It's mine.
Next person.
Okay, I'm going to look for a second. Ooh, I'm looking. We got a coloring one, and so you could color it, even though I already colored it. I saw it, and this is pecan pie, and so you could color it. It's one of the coloring cards, and you could also color the shopping bag and the works. So it's cool because, like, yeah, you can color it.
Okay, next person. Molly. Oh, and 1 second, before Molly picks, I need to say something. So, this girl right here, as you know, my sister Jane. And this girl is my sister's friend and my friend Molly. And now it's Molly's turn. Go.
What? Why did I? Okay, I got something.
It's a fuzzy headband, it looks like.
If you can't really see it, you can't really notice it, but it's soft. You're not closing your eyes.
Janie, face the camera, please.
We got Crazy Cart.
The Shopkins cart.
Oh,
I'm gonna zoom in, Janie.
It's a.
Quiet, Janie. Put it down so then I can zoom on it.
No, put it on high. So, you could look at it. You could try to name the camera. I'm just going to raise the camera a little bit. And you could color. You can't color it. But I'm talking about the other one. But sorry. This is a Shopkins basket and shopping basket. Shopkins shopping basket. And you could it shows because you could shop for them, and I like the wheels best because it has yellow. Excuse me. What about the game that we are playing?
But you guys, okay, Molly's turn, please.
What are you guys doing?
I'm taking a video. Oh, and 1 second before Molly picks again. This is Mackie, and he's my friend.
Interesting.
Mackie, this is on YouTube.
Wow.
This is on YouTube.
I don't get it.
Do you know what YouTube is?
This is the Frozen drink.
A whole bunch of people are going to see this. He's going now.
I cannot go yet.
And go. Oh, wait. Oh, never mind. Go.
Ah. Do you know what this is?
Oh, Silky.
Silky.
Can you show us it? Here. Can I see?
See,
Don't move it.
this is Silky, and it's a Shopkin. Silky, and it is Shopkin. Silky Shopkin. Oh,
1 sec. I am going to go back and wash some dishes before Janie picks. Janie, don't pick yet. Oh.
We got Bun Bun slipper, and I like because I I love bunnies, and this is a bunny. So this is my favorite Shopkin out of all of them. Like out of the season 1, season 2, season 4, season 2, season 1. This is my favorite Shopkin out of all of them, and my favorite color is pink. So this is my favorite.
I'm gonna get you to put that there so then we can zoom in on it. Here's Mum Bun Slipper. Your turn, Molly.
I'm going to say go.
Go.
Oh, let's see what's inside. Chapstick. Can I smell them?
Yep.
What are these?
Mine. Well, actually, I just bought them at the store. Actually, they smell really good. Jeannie, say I'm just gonna zoom the camera back up.
I'm just going to zoom the camera back up.
There's one. Can you show us the other one?
Okay, I first smell it. Can I show this?
Yep. Ooh, it's a sparkly one.
How do you put these in?
Don't worry about it. We can do it after. And the last one is this. Can you show us?
Yes.
Can I see it, please? Thank you.
I think, do I got gum?
Oh yeah, she has a sour candy gum. Maybe we can eat it after we have supper. Okay?
I got one sour tea.
Oh.
Wait, I need to put it in.
Close your eyes.
We got ice cream dream. I like this one too because I love ice cream. And I need to. I want to get a brush. That's mine.
Go.
I'm getting a brush. Do you have a? Wait, I'm gonna see here.
Can I see it?
This is mine. That's my shot. No, I just put it right there. Here. Okay, then I'll give you
Go.
a watch. A frozen watch.
Can I see it?
Little banana.
It has Elsa and Anna on it. This is a good thing for like kids like from like 5 to how about like from kids for like 4 to how about
Who's gonna get
probably about 8.
Why
that
does
would
she
fit.
sell it again?
Don't take it out yet.
I want this. Hey, where's
They
my
also
watch?
shh, be quiet. They also have this necklace and this bracelet.
Molly.
We have this bracelet, this necklace, and this bracelet.